Hey everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what the Rheem heat pump hot water heater sounds like and how loud it is, especially compared to the A.O. Smith heat pump hot water heater, which we did in our first net zero renovation house. So what I'll do is start on the inside here and walk out right up to the heat pump so you can listen to it and see how loud it is. And what I'll also do is do a quick video right after this with the garage door closed, and maybe that'll make a bit difference, but I can tell you from my own experience versus the A.O. Smith, the Rheem is much quieter, and these are the ones you get at Home Depot. A.O. Smith you get at Lowe's. I've had both, and I really love the Rheem. Otherwise, they're pretty much the same. Okay, and this time I've got the garage door closed, and so I'll just walk out like we did before, and we'll see if that increased the noise to any degree, especially against the A.O. Smith models. So it's still pretty quiet, didn't make much of a difference. But you can see on the energy saving side, the reason why we love heat pump hot water heaters so much, especially in Florida, is this is cool air. It's like air conditioning, and it's cooling down the garage. And then you can see from the energy guide label, this is a 40 gallon and it saves, well, it only uses about 104, maybe a little bit higher per year, and it saves about $400 to $500 per year versus a regular conventional water heater. And fun fact also, that savings is about what it costs to run the Tesla Model 3 or a similar EV for about 10,000 miles a year. So just swapping the heat pump, just swapping to a heat pump hot water heater powers the electric car for an entire year.